Okay, hi, this is Malika and Oren. And Oren, what are you going to show them how you do?
Jumping on the window, out, off the windowsill, which is twice of exercise, and then we go jumping, forward, which is twice of exercise.
Okay, we'll show them. So I'm going to catch you, and I'm going to lift you from one side to the other. So I'm going from side to side as I catch you and push you up. Oh, we've got an extra pillow on the floor here. We'll put that one there. Can you show them how you climb up the windowsill? Yeah, it's a tricep exercise, but it's also upper body, arms, and it works the core. And because I'm bending my legs as I take her down and stretching them as I take her up, it's also legs. So I'm taking a big wide stance. She jumps down. And wee, booey, wee, booey, wee, booey, wee, booey. Was that enough?
Yeah.
Yeah, should we do it again?
No.
No. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. So thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.
We do another one.
Yeah, let's do another one. Bye now.
Bye now.